The 5 tonight, crews from all over the nation are descending upon western North Carolina, and it's all to be able to help clean up after Hurricane Helene tore through the region more than 130 days ago. Well, the surge in crews comes after President Trump signed an executive order to escalate the recovery effort. And when you look at here, the Army Corps of Engineers, that's who helped among the team of the people there today to do major debris removal. And the cab of this 18-wheeler that you see right here behind me has been in the Swannanoa River for the last 4 months, and finally it was brought out today. So when you look at this is just the latest step in the process, which has now quite literally taken months. But as Queen City News anchor Derek Dellinger found out today, it's a step that many are glad to see.
Many who live here in Buncombe County and those that are involved with the cleanup from Helene, they will tell you that the sheer scope of the damage here is what has made this all seem so slow. But some important and some psychologically positive elements have been happening here.
It's hard work, it's tough work, and for the last 4 months, it's been a lot of deliberate work. And on this Wednesday, it's also getting something that has sat rusting in the Swannanoa River for the past 4 months out. The cab of this 18-wheeler is one of the latest to get cleaned up, something many are glad to see.
Whenever we leave to, go to school or go run errands, it's like, Mom, is this ever going to get cleaned up? And now that we see this kind of movement, it's very promising.
Kristen Hicks owns the Blessing Barn, which has been a resource for so many these last few months. Months, she says, which have felt slow, but understandably slow.
There's so much, and we get that. I mean, you drive around, there's just too much of a need.
Crews have been on the ground since day one, including the Army Corps of Engineers. Their work has involved a lot of right-of-way debris removal, and just to get this cab out, it's taken some time between approvals and contractors and making sure it's all safe.
We had to get our contractors plan how do they plan to get into the waterways and execute this removal and retrieval of this debris. And once we had that, then we can go through the environmental and historical permitting process to make sure that we're not disturbing any cultural historical properties along the waterways, as well as any type of endangered species.
Colonel Brad Morgan is with the Army Corps of Engineers, which has had an extended mission here since Helene hit.
It takes a lot of time. There's a lot of coordination that has to take place.
As one person put it to us, the progress, while it feels slow, is no faster or no slower than any other disaster. The complication is the terrain, which has made cleanup more difficult, but not impossible. The last few days have seen a lot of action here, something that is bringing smiles to those who are still trying to get back to normal.
Sometimes when it's not done where we are every day, it's like we don't see it as much, but now that it's here, oh boy, it's exciting. It's a relief.
Now, the cleanup here did not just involve the cab that was in the Swannanoa River. There have been other parts of the river here that have also been cleaned up within the past few days. In Buncombe County, Derek Dellinger, Queen City News.